apple so juicy and sweet. B is for bunnies with big floppy feet. C is for castles where stories are made. D is for dragons who live in the shade. It's ABC, Adventure Time, singing letters in a rhyme. ABC, come with me, let's explore from A to Z. E is for eagles that soar in the sky. F is for frogs that leap up high. G is for gardens with flowers so bright. H is for horses that gallop in flight. It's ABC, Adventure Time, singing letters in a rhyme. IJK, let's all play, learning letters every day. I is for igloos so chilly and cool. J is for jelly beans, sweet as a rule. K is for kites flying up so high. L is for lanterns that light up the sky. M is for monkeys swinging in trees. N is for nests where birds rest with ease. O is for oceans so deep and blue. P is for penguins waddling through. Q is for queens with crowns on their head. R is for rainbows, green, yellow, and red. S is for sunshine that warms up the day. T is for trains that chug on their way. It's ABC, Adventure Time, singing letters in a rhyme. UVW, we're near the end, learning letters with our friends. X is for xylophones making sweet tunes. Y is for yo-yos that spin in the room. Z is for zebras so striped and grand. That's the alphabet, wasn't it grand? It's ABC, Adventure Time, singing letters in a rhyme. A to Z we've sung today. Hooray for learning and having fun play.